So hey guys, iMAT here. So welcome to this new intro, a new studio look and a new video. So as I mentioned earlier, I am currently working on renovating my studio. So it's still a work in progress, but here we are. So if you're a fan of mechanical watches, then I'm sure that you love the Royal Oak design. So in today's video, we have a new Royal Oak Homage on the channel. So in this video, we'll be checking it out and we'll see if it is worth the money or not. So let's dive right in and see if it is worth purchasing for $200 or not. So first of all, let's check out the unboxing experience. It feels smooth and here is the box. So are you guys ready? Let's check it out. And here it is. Isn't it amazing? I'm already in love. I'm gonna keep it here. So let's move the box. And here you will get the user manual on how to use this watch, and after that here is the warranty card. It comes with 2-year international warranty, which is amazing. So here is a closer look on the watch and here it is. Let me remove the tag. So it was easy. The overall look is so luxury and looks so good. So if you check out the case, it has an angular case with integrated stainless steel bracelet and it has clean and balanced dial layout. Let's start from the dial size. It's only 42mm in size, which hits a sweet spot in my opinion. It looks bold but it's not too oversized, and because the shape is more angular than round, so it wears very confidently on the wrist. And then talking about the thickness, it's only 12mm. And this watch stays slim enough to slide under a shirt cuff, which is impressive for an automatic mechanical watch, as we all know that most of the mechanical watches are quite thick. And in my opinion, it's a kind of watch that looks equally good with casual outfits as well as semi-formal wear. Talking about the case material, it is made of 316L stainless steel, which is what you want to see in a quality watch. So the 316L stainless steel does not only mean it has better corrosion resistance, but it also has a solid weight to it and has long-term durability. You might be noticing that the finishing is a mix of polished and brushed surfaces, which gives it a premium contrast depending on how light hits it. We have the polished surface here, then here is the brushed surface, then on the top we again have brushed surface. It's not tough only from the body, but the glass is also made of sapphire grade A glass, which is a huge plus at this level. Sapphire offers excellent scratch resistance, and it's not gonna stay in your watch collection only. You can wear it daily and the condition won't tell it. They have also mentioned that it has gold plated tempered glass detailing, adding a subtle touch of elegance without being flashy. Now let's talk a bit about the dial design. This is where the watch really channels that Royal Oak inspired vibe. It has a very clean skeleton dial, the machinery behind looks just amazing. And we also have well aligned indices. Even though we have a skeleton design, but you can still see that the hands are clearly visible, and the contrast of white and grey makes it really easy to read the time. The time is even readable at night. It has luminous coating on the minute and the hour's hand, and even when it's night time, the luminous coating will store the energy to show you the time at night. This watch gives a premium look and looks so luxury and expensive, not busy, not over designed. Now let's talk about the heart of the watch. Inside this watch we have the Hangzhou 7500D automatic movement. So here's what it has to offer. Talking about the accuracy, at max it's going to lose or gain 10 seconds per day. Talking about the frequency, it has 21,600 vibrations per hour and a power reserve of around 48 hours. So for a mechanical watch in this category, these are pretty respectable numbers. What I really like is the consistency. This movement is known for stable performance, smooth seconds hand motion and reliability for daily wear. Just notice how smooth the seconds hand is. It's pretty amazing. And talking about the power reserve of 48 hours, you can wear it all week, take it off for a day and it will still be running strong, as it can last for 48 hours once the full wind is done. If you move forward and talk about the water resistance, it comes with 5 ATM water resistance. It's not a diving watch, it's a daily wear watch. So if you are going out for a dive or swim, you'll have to take it off, but for daily hand washing, rinse splashes and light water exposure, it will do just fine. The crown kit does not lock when you rotate it, so it's better to not expose the watch to water. So our last segment of the video and my favorite part of this watch, the straps. So it features a double press butterfly buckle which feels secure on the wrist, keeps the bracelet clean and seamless, and adds to the premium experience. Just check this out, the bracelet integrates perfectly with the case. Comfort wise, the weight is well balanced, not too heavy, not too light, making it suitable for all day wear. So should you consider buying it? If you love the Royal Oak style design, you want a mechanical automatic watch, you care about the build quality and materials, and you also love the skeleton design, this is something you can consider. Whether you are a watch collector or a watch enthusiast, it's a great watch for you. It offers a premium design inspiration, solid mechanical movement, sapphire glass, and a strong stainless steel build. And if you're into luxury inspired mechanical watches, this one is definitely worth checking out. So guys, that's all from today's video. What can I say? I'm in love with this watch. So this was one shape which was missing in my collection and now it's here, and this watch is just so good looking. It goes really well with every outfit. I have it for a few days now and I'm really liking the design. What did you think about it? Let me know in the comments. If you would like to get one for yourself, I would really appreciate if you can use the link given in the description box below. This watch is surely going in my daily wear collection. Would you wear this watch or would you pick something else? Let me know in the comments. To support my work, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next one with a new product and a newer studio look maybe.